Island, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, until 10:30 p.m. At 8:59 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from Middle River to 5 nautical miles southeast of Miller Island, moving northeast at 20 knots. Some of the stronger wind gusts are well ahead of the incoming thunderstorms. This line of thunderstorms will be near Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots. Locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.